Hydration packs. They're uncomfortable and overkill for most rides. Also, the extra weight is carried at the highest point, on your back. With saddlebags, the weight is carried at the highest point on the bike. There's compatibility issues with dropper posts, and contents tend to rattle over rough terrain. Even the Enduro strap falls short because it does not protect tubes or tools from UV rays, dirt, or mud. Items include an inner tube, tire lever, CO2 cartridge, multi-tool, quick link, and spare derailleur hanger. There's just enough extra room inside for your car keys and maybe your granola bar. Elements is compatible with every type and size of bicycle, no modifications required. The adjustable strap allows for various mounting options, allowing you to choose what suits you best. The straps are arranged so that your gear is always quietly secured.
Introducing the air lever from Barfly. The air lever is a 2-in-1 tool combining two things you will always need. You will always need a tire lever and a CO2 inflator. It weighs less than 40 grams. It's also beautifully designed. It works great as a tire lever for removing and installing any tire. The CO2 inflator is simple and compact. It fits both Presta and Schrader valve stems. It's simple, easy to use, and easy to stow. Once we've reached our funding goal, we expect to be shipping air levers in early 2017.
We're the founders of Macchina. I'm Earl, and this is Josh. And we founded Macchina for car nerds because we are Macchina. Macchina lets you into the inner workings of your car. It's kind of like rooting or jailbreaking your phone. Once you're in, the possibilities are endless. Macchina is inexpensive, compact, easy to learn, flexible to your situation, wirelessly connectable, and most importantly, open source. At its core, Macchina is an interface that connects to your car through the OBD2 port or a wired connection, using every common protocol. Macchina's interface mates easily to our processor board, which is based on Arduino, making it easy to work with. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, there's something for you to build and create. Macchina lets you get back to the original intention of hot rodding. Make it better, make it fun, make it yours. You can do this, and you don't have to do it alone. In fact, there's an entire community of people who love cars and understand technology.